Congratulations to these children who have been selected at district level and they will be taking part at state level now. Recently taken up team of Nanak Dev, which ended with beautiful remembrance of 40 years of time that your batch has spent in the school. We feel that we are also blessed to play the role of a teacher in your lives and somewhere or other make certain impressions which will last for your lives. So, on behalf of all the teachers, we convey our good wishes to your batch to do well in life. Nanak Dev Ji has taught us so many things. We heard a few of them from our friends today. Very simple things he has taught, but yet he has asked us to walk a disciplined life. He has given us 3 simple basics to follow in life. Kirat karo, naam japo, devan japo. Kirat karna matlab make your livelihood an honest one. Don't make earnings through dishonest means. Kirat karne ka matlab wo hota hai. Naam japna, try to remember God always in your lives, not just inside the temples and mosques and gurdwaras. Keep Him with you throughout your day and night routines. That is the meaning of Naam Jap. And Naam Jap is to share your earnings with the needy. He has spoken about so many things, so many aspects of our life. He has spoken about the importance of master in our life, the guru in our life. He says, Balihari Gurapne Dhari Sadwar, Jin Manas ke devte kiye krat na lagi var. He says, I am a sacrifice to my master many a times in a day. For he is capable of converting normal, ordinary human beings into people like angels. And in doing so, he doesn't take time. Further, he has given quote of कुंभे बधा जल रहे जल बिन कुंभ ना हुए ज्ञान का बधा मन रहे गुर बिन ज्ञान ना हुए. He says the pot stores the water in it and the pot cannot be made without the water. कुंभे बधा जल रहे जल बिन कुंभ ना हुए, जल के बगैर कुंभ नहीं बन सकता. वैसे ही ज्ञान का बधा मन रहे, हमारा मन जो है भटकता है, उसको बांध के रखने का एक ही तरीका है और वो है ज्ञान, नॉलेज. एंड वेयर डज द नॉलेज कम फ्रॉम? गुरुविल ज्ञान ना हुए. नॉलेज कम्स फ्रॉम द मास्टर. He has spoken about friendship. Who should we befriend? He says, नाले आने दोस्ती उधारू से ने पानी अंदर लीक जो जिस तक औकत है. Means, if you befriend a fool, ना समझ के साथ दोस्ती करना, नाल त्याने दोस्ती. बधारुस्यों में, if you make friendship with someone who is by status level very higher than you, or lower, very low than you, then he says it's like a line drawn in the water. It doesn't have any base, it doesn't have any foundation. It may not last for a long time. So befriend someone who is good for you, who has something to give to you, knowledgeable, not a fool, not someone who is walking the wrong path. Regarding the women, he says, So kya manda aske chinchambe rajan? Why to call the women back? The one who gives birth to the kings. Regarding the ornaments which attract us so much, he has written, Lak ka kya ke mungale, lak ka kya ke haar, Jittan paye naga, setan hoge chhar. You adopt unfair means to earn money. You die for these ornaments. Ultimately, what is going to happen? The body on which you are adorning them, it will burn into ashes. So don't look out for these materialistic gains in life. Look out for something which will ennoble you, which will make your life sublime. Read them, try to read have taught us, they have taught, Nanak Dev has taught us to give up superstitious beliefs. To not believe in something which is based on superstition. If you read about him more and more, you will find all these things from his life, and I'm sure that will benefit your lives. Children, few announcements, a couple of things which have come to my notice is, or I also see, after the school gets over, many of you leave, your buses and other vehicles come and you leave. Few of you wait for the buses or your parents. And I see you waiting outside the school campus. So that is not good. That is unsafe for you. Be inside the campus in case your parents haven't turned up or your vehicle hasn't turned up. Office is open. Bring it to the notice of the guards. Bring it to the notice of the teachers. The other day, I will not name the kid or the boy or the girl, but we have a doubt that someone was there to pick up the children by pretending that the person was sent by the parents, but the parents had said that they had not sent anyone. So the boy and the girl were smart enough not to go with them. In this regard, again, it's a kind of advice to all of you. स्कूल जब खत्म हो जाता है बच्चों, आप स्कूल के गेट के बाहर वेट नहीं करनी है. आप स्कूल के अंदर ही रहोगे, कैंपस के अंदर ही रहोगे, लॉन्च में बैठोगे या ग्राउंड के अंदर रहोगे. ठीक है? ये आपकी सेफ्टी के लिए है. और कोई भी स्ट्रेंजर आपको आके अगर बोले कि मुझे आपके माँ बाप ने भेजा है, मम्मी ने भेजा है, पापा ने भेजा है, हमारे साथ चलो, जब तक टीचर नहीं कहेगा उसके साथ जाने के लिए, आप नहीं जाओगे. Got my point? Yes, good. I hope you all will remember. And on the other hand, all the teachers, you need to accompany the children outside and put them inside the buses and then come inside and leave. As soon as the school gets over, it doesn't mean that you get disconnected with the children and you can walk into your staff rooms. Please don't do that. Spare 10 extra minutes. Be with the children. Put them inside the buses carefully. And then come back and go. So I hope you all will remember this. Thank you.